Hey darlings, welcome back to my channel. Teresa here. Today I decided to sit down and do a dedicated tutorial, eyeshadow tutorial of the Pat McGrath Labs Mothership #1 Sublime palette. If you're interested in how my makeup turned out, stay tuned. Okay, darling, so I decided a few weeks ago that I wanted to do a dedicated series on my channel using all of my Pat McGrath Labs Mothership Sublime palettes. I have all of her palettes and all of her Mothership palettes. I have them all, okay? I believe there's 13. This is the first one, okay? And this is, like I said, the Pat McGrath Labs Mothership #1 Sublime palette. And I am so excited for this series. I am going to do a dedicated eyeshadow tutorial using each and every one of her palettes. Okay, this is the outer packaging here, and this is her signature packaging. I am just so excited. As you guys can see, my face is fully done. I did one eye off of camera, and I'm going to do the other eye with you all. Now, this is a cool tone palette, okay? And if you've been subscribed to my channel for some time, you probably already know I'm not really a cool eyeshadow kind of girl. I'm more of a romantic, rose tones, neutrals, warm tone eyeshadow girl, okay? But I thought that I would do something fun. And of course, my kind of vibe, you all know, if you've been subscribed for some time now, you know that I don't go too crazy with my eyeshadows, okay? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my Wayne Goss #4 brush, and I'm going to apply both of these shades. This, I don't know, it's like a cool beigey tone here, and then the shade right next to it, right here. So I'm just going to go in with both of those shades. I'm going to start with the lighter shade as a transition and then use the deeper shade after that. Okay, darling, so I buffed both of those shades into the crease. I feel like this is a really nice way to like start in your crease, the shades. I think that they're nice, cool shades for a nice foundation. So I'm glad I picked those. Next, I'm going to take, oh, this is going to be interesting, okay? I don't use a lot of black eyeshadow, but I'm going to use this black matte here. And I'm going to use a very little bit of it, okay? I'm going to use my Wayne Goss #6 brush, and I am going to tap, just like barely tap into the product. I just want to, you know, give the outer V a little more depth. So like along my lash line, outer V, just go up just a little more, just add a little more depth there. Okay, next I'm going to take my finger and I am going to use this pretty, it's giving like an iridescent, I don't know, like lilac purple, cool tone, silvery kind of vibe. So I like to use my finger to actually apply this on my lid. So I do have slightly hooded eyes. So what I'm gonna do is place it right in the center and go up ever so slightly. It just kind of even out that product there. Just like that. Next, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my, I believe it's my Worker Pro brush. Where are you? Yes, my Worker brush from my Sonia G collection. And I'm going to take this really pretty champagne shimmery shade here. And I'm going to use this on my brow bone and my inner tear duct. Now I'm just applying my other lash, and these are Lilly lashes, the Faux Minks in Mykonos Flare. Okay, darlings, well, I finished the eye off of camera, and I really like how this eyeshadow came out, like the whole look, because I'm not, like I mentioned earlier in the video, I'm not a huge cool tone eyeshadow palette kind of girl, right? But I do like how this eyeshadow came out because I don't know, it's giving like silvery, you know, lilac purple. It's simple. It's not like over the top. So that's definitely my kind of vibe. And I do like the way this look came out. I really like it. It's very, very pretty. Okay, let me just fix my bangs, guys. Anyway, make sure to, if you like this type of video, make sure to give me a like and subscribe to the channel and share on other social media platforms. Help your girl out, okay? And shout out to my new subscribers and shout out to my OG subscribers, okay? You guys, I love the way this turned out. Be on the lookout for eyeshadow number 2. And until next time, take care. Bye, darlings.